Okay, I'm gonna show you how to add a photo or your picture to your Cash App. You know, you got a lot of people that ask you to send money, especially this coronavirus going on. You may not want to pass money to money, so use the Cash App. But before you send anybody some money using your Cash App, make sure they add a photo, because there's so many scams out there. I've had a couple of people ask me to send them money, and when I put in their $, whatever their name is, it doesn't have a picture, and it may come up with 2 or 3 different names for that person. But if it has a picture to go with that person and you know that person, then it's okay. But the simple way to do it is just open up your Cash App, and then I'm gonna zoom in. If you go to this corner up here, just click on that, and where you see my name, you see right here, you just click it, and it comes down here. You could choose a photo or take a photo. So I'm gonna choose a photo that I already have in my album. You see right here, and I just scroll through until I find the one I want. So just say, for instance, I'm gonna find a photo. I'm gonna put this one, me and my wife. You see, I'm gonna click on it, and you can move it around to adjust it on the screen. And I got it like I want it, and then I hit choose, and that's it. And like you see now, my photo is added to the welding and stuff, and that's all you do. So that's how you add a photo to your Cash App. All right, and while we're on it, I'm gonna show you how to turn on your notifications also. It's the same way. Say for instance, I exit out of this, I'm here at this page. You go right here and you click on that and go down here to notifications, and you notice that my push notification is on, but I wanted to send me a notification whenever I get money or whatever. So they'll send you a text message. You could either enter your phone number, or you can also choose your email address also. So you see I got both of them checked, but I just want notifications via text message. And that's all you do. So that's how you turn on and off your notifications, and how to add a photo to your Cash App. And if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.